Welcome again to another episode of Tricycling Giant Videos. We have a very special person here today. I know that all of our videos are usually in Malayalam. Today's video is in English, and that's because Mr. Rajan here cannot speak Malayalam. He is a native of Ludhiana, and he is a BTech graduate. He was originally in one of the teams which was meeting the between My Bike, which was a huge hit and success in India, and now he has launched his own shop. Now the shop is called Cyclone Industries. And I'll be leaving Mr. Rajan's personal number below right here, so you can read it out. And if you want to contact him, but before you do contact him, he has got something called as an MOQ. So what works in Ludhiana is, if you want to start a cycle business, you have got to contact a frame manufacturer. They'll give you maybe 10 or 20 frames. They'll show you your frames, and then you have got to give them a minimum order. So what's your minimum?
Which is 200.
200. So the minimum order quantity for Mr. Rajan of Cyclone Industries is 200 frames. So remember, the frame manufacturer makes only frames. Or if you want to get the forks and the handlebars, we are making them special. And if you those who have noticed our cycle, all those parts, especially the frame, the fork, everything is made in a very special manner to suit the hybrid wheels, and that's what gives it such a good performance. Now I'll let Mr. Rajan speak. He's going to tell you why he is making one of the best cycle frames in India and how he's making it. Thanks.
Hello everybody, myself Rajan. I'm a manufacturer of cycle frames. So here we discuss about the quality of a frame. Frame quality depends on the how ease a rider can use the cycle with how ease. That's the called the quality of the frame only. If we consider all the parameters, all the dimensions of the frame, just for the sake of the ease of the rider. So that's only to make the good quality of a frame.
So please tell me about the different types of welding. Louder please.
We are doing two type of weldings here, in MIG welding and TIG welding. TIG welding is better finish, just for the aesthetics looks. Otherwise, both weldings are good. Both weldings are okay. With the if we discuss about the load capacity and anything else, both are okay, but TIG is better for the visual aspects.
Yeah. The raw material that you are using?
We are using the MS pipes only.
Mild steel.
Mild steel.
So that is one important thing that you have got to understand. The thing that you are getting in India is almost always 99.9% you are getting mild steel frames. That is made in India. Yeah. And if you want high tensile frames, it is not available in India.
Yeah, right now it's not available.
Not available in India. And chromoly frames, of course, everybody knows it is important. So now we are going to have a small video on the steps of frame building, and because the sound inside the factory is too big, most probably we'll be putting only music, but we'll try to have some amount of thing. And I'm leaving it to Mr. Rajan to show you how some of the best frames in India are made and how he makes them.